So how do you like your sieve thing filled with banana? Are you happy about that? You seem to be happy. You like it better than the whole banana Mommy stupidly gave you. And then whipped out of your mouth in record speed. There you go. Now you're eating a banana. Mmm. Whoops. Mmm, yummy. Can't quite get it. You can do it. Up. Up. Okay. Okay. Here comes Mom. Here's the sieve thing filled with banana. And here it goes to the little boy. Well, you have to take it. You gonna take it? There. Very good. You're so advanced. And now you're happy. Perfect. Banana. Who knew? That's your bib. All right.